The ischium is divided into two main parts, the body and the ramus. The body is this portion right here, located just behind the obturator foramen, and the ramus of the ischium is found here, just below the obturator foramen. Let's look at the ramus of the ischium in a bit more detail. Here we're looking at it from a medial perspective. We can see that the ramus of the ischium fuses with the inferior ramus of the pubis. So this is a meeting point between the ischium and the pubis. If we change our view to a posterior perspective, we can see another key structure of the ischium, which is the ischial spine. The ischial spine is a bony prominence found between the greater sciatic notch and the lesser sciatic notch. It serves as an attachment point for some important muscles, such as the coccygeus muscle. Let's move on to talk about the greater sciatic notch in more detail. This notch lies between the posterior inferior iliac spine here and the ischial spine here that we just talked about. When we add this ligament here, the sacrospinous ligament, this notch becomes what is known as the greater sciatic foramen. So here we have the greater sciatic foramen. We can see the sacrospinous ligament here, hiding behind the sacrotuberous ligament. Several important structures pass through this foramen, including the piriformis muscle and the sciatic nerve. We mentioned another notch earlier, the lesser sciatic notch. This notch lies between the ischial spine here and the ischial tuberosity. When we add this ligament here, the sacrotuberous ligament, this notch becomes what is known as the lesser sciatic foramen. The lesser sciatic foramen has many important structures passing through it, including the obturator internus muscle, the nerve that supplies this muscle, the internal pudendal vessels, and the pudendal nerve. The last structure of the ischium we'll talk about today is the ischial tuberosity. Its function is to bear the weight of the body in a seated position. Therefore, we can also call it the sitting bone. If you found this quick anatomy or physiology video helpful, you'll enjoy our video tutorials even more. Click on the button and you'll see what I mean. We have hundreds of videos available to our premium members, not to mention all the fun quizzes, complete articles, and atlas sections to solidify your knowledge. Click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy and physiology.